Are you thinking about trying Secret Happy Drops but not sure if it's legit or another online scam? Stay with me because in this video, I'm giving you a real user-focused review, breaking down what it actually does, what's inside, and whether it's safe to use or a waste of money. Let's get into it. So, what are Secret Happy Drops? This product is marketed as a natural mood-enhancing supplement designed to boost happiness, emotional balance, calmness, and overall wellness. According to the product claims, it helps reduce stress, anxiety, and emotional ups and downs, something almost everyone deals with today. Interestingly, they offer different versions for women, men, and even teenage girls. Each formula says it targets hormonal balance, mood swings, and emotional energy. Sounds impressive, right? But hold on, let's take a closer look. The brand promotes the drops as being made from natural herbal extracts and vitamins, but here's the first red flag. The full ingredient list isn't clearly disclosed on their sales pages. Instead of showing transparent nutritional facts, they simply mention vague things like natural plant extracts or stress relief herbs. And we all know when a supplement doesn't clearly show ingredients or dosage, that's a big warning sign. Now, let's talk about reviews and real results because this is where most people get confused. I checked Amazon, Reddit, YouTube comments, and popular review sites. And honestly, there are very few genuine reviews out there. The product barely exists on trusted marketplaces, and most of the so-called reviews online seem copy-pasted promotional articles, not real user experiences. That leads to one big question. If this product is so effective, why isn't anyone talking about it? Also, there are no clinical studies, no medical endorsements, and no certifications listed. And the company behind it isn't well known either. Everything just feels mysterious. So, is it a scam? Well, here are the pros and cons. Pros: claims to be natural, easy to take liquid formula, targets emotional wellness. Cons: very limited real reviews online, no transparent ingredient list, no proof of real results, feels heavily marketed but not backed by science. Unknown manufacturer details. If you're asking me, I'd say it's risky to trust this product blindly. It may not be a complete scam, but it definitely lacks credibility and proof of effectiveness. Should you buy it? If you still want to try it, do your own homework first. Ask for ingredient details, check if they offer a refund policy, and always consult with a doctor if you have emotional health concerns. Supplements are not magic, and when a product promises happiness in a bottle, that's a huge red flag. Instead, you can get real mood support from proven options like ashwagandha, magnesium glycinate, omega 3. Fish oil, vitamin D, these are backed by science and available from trusted brands. Secret Happy Drops looks more hype than help. Without real user results, verified ingredients, or medical credibility, I can't confidently recommend it. If you're serious about emotional wellness, go for brands with transparency and real results. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried Secret Happy Drops yourself. I'd love to hear real experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.